Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Tracy. This is going on right outside my house right now, so I'm not going to be doing much talking, but what I want to do is if you live in a rural area like I do and you can't see these products before you order them, I'm going to do the best I can to show them to you so that you can decide if you want to order them or not. It's just going to be an unboxing. I haven't tried these products yet, so I can't give you my opinion on them. First, it's going to be the Ghost Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Palette. And now here's the blush quad. These palettes are limited edition for the holiday season and they go very quickly. If you want them, you better pick them up fast. Hourglass is great quality. I'll talk to you more about them in the future. I'm sure I'm going to love them. I'm not even worried about it. If you have any questions at all, you know where I live. Don't be shy. And that'll be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.